to Balisin. So we had the sales drive last year, and this is now the culmination activity. So we're all here. We're around 100 plus. 100. So we would like to enjoy the event.
Wonderful place.
Of Alpha Insurance, yes.
Going to the paradise.
When you risk it all, you learn to feel alive.
Excited ako sumakay sa Cessna plane kasi ito yung may first time na sasakay ako sa isang maliit na airplane.
Thank you, Alpha, sa Balisin. Hindi pa man kami nakakatungtong ng Balisin. Sobrang thank you na.
Into the daylight. So open your eyes. We're making the climb. We're taking the dive. Deep into the wild. Dreams on the horizon, our fears leave them behind us now. There's no time for stalling. The wild, wild is calling. Risk it all, you learn to feel alive. Searching for new life. Reaching for new heights. Into the daylight. So open your eyes. We're making the climb. Taking the dive. Deep into the wild. Is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling. There's no time, no time. Oh, the wild, wild is calling. The wild, wild is calling now. The wild, wild is calling. There's no time.
The place is so nice, so surreal.
Beautiful, and the water is so clear.
Thank you, Alpha Insurance.
Thank you, Alpha Insurance. This place is nice. Great.
Searching for new life. Reaching for new heights. Into the daylight. So open your eyes. We're making the climb. Taking the dive. Deep into the wild. Time, no time, oh, the wild, wild is calling, the wild, wild is calling now, the wild, wild is calling, there's no time, oh, the wild, wild is calling, the wild, wild is calling now, the wild, wild
Thank you, Alpha Insurance, for these wonderful memories in our lives, and for being a pillar of support and joy in our professional lives. Here's to many more years of success, and God bless us all. Mabuhay tayong lahat, mabuhay ang Alpha Insurance.
Sir, thank you po sa pagiging humble. And ang dami-dami ko pong natutunan sa inyo. And lahat ng natutunan na yun, umasa kayo, sir, ko, kopyahin namin yun. Isang napakalaking bagay na po kung ang boss ninyo ay makadiyos na tao. Salamat, sir.
Yung pira, madaling maubos. Pero po, yung binigay mo sa akin, sir, yung sinishare po ninyo sa akin, yun po ang hindi mauubos. May maipapasa po namin generation to generation kung gaano kayo kabait. So maraming salamat, Alpha. Maraming salamat po sa Panginoon natin.
You belong to a very stable company that consistently registers significant growth in its market share and showing remarkable increases in sales and in assets all these years. So cheers to all of that.
To all of you, magtrabaho tayo para sa company kasi very equal talaga ang company na ito. Napaka-reliable, quality at saka very ganti-oriented yung may-ari. Thank you so much.
Well, una, I would like to congratulate everyone dito kasi qualify tayo. Secondly, I would like to congratulate the executives of Alpha Insurance for making the vision of Mr. Jun Remo come true. And I pray now that Alpha Insurance will continue to survive.
Plans to forgive you, hope in a better future. So si Alpha Insurance po yung nagbibigay ng better future sa atin.
The culture of Sir Jun, the culture of the leadership was cascaded with the managers of Alpha. Makikita niyo po yan. Totoo po yung sinasabi natin na napakadaling kausap ng Alpha. No? With regards sa claims and everything, madali po.
Iiwanan ko lang po sa inyo, sir, ay we will guarantee po na we will do always our best to make you proud and to make Alpha Insurance proud of us.
Dreams on the horizon, our fears leave behind us now. There's no time for stalling. The wild is calling.
Gusto ko lang pong sana magpasalamat sa buong Alpha Insurance and Surety Company, lalong-lalo po kay Sir Jun Remo at sa buong management po, sa BGC branch, kay Ma'am Gina Mercado. Maraming salamat po sa suporta and maraming salamat po dito sa pagbigay po sa amin ng privilege na makapunta dito sa Balisin.
First of all, I want to thank the Alpha Insurance Company Inc. Most especially to the owner, Remo's family, executive. So with my 3 days na stay dito, hindi ko makakalimutan siguro event na to. Ganon din sa island na to.
Salamat sa Alpha dito, ang ganda nitong Balisin ito na isa lang talagang hindi gusto basta nakakapunta rito na it's and famous nga. Salamat sa Alpha. Thank you.
Thank you Alpha Insurance sa napaka-wonderful na opportunity. Here we are in Balisin for your sales drive and I'm very honored and blessed na nakasama ako dito and at the same time with my son. So what I can say about Alpha Insurance is firstly to Sir Jun Remo, thank you so much for being a one-of-a-kind leader ng Alpha Insurance. You grant my wife Melissa, branch of Eastwood, the true and distinct na true life work balance. And we cherish the moment na nandito po kami and we are very much thankful. Thank you so much and more blessings and many more years to come.